Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off transparency effects on iPhone Air in order to improve this device's performance. First, open Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down to Accessibility and open it. Now, find Display and Text Size in Vision category and go right here and select switch the toggle next to reduce transparency feature. This change makes blurred or translucent backgrounds solid, simplifying the user interface and reducing the processing load on your device. If you want to switch this feature off, just switch the toggle to the left and it will be turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.